Hey guys, Miss Hendry here. All right, let me move my face. Okay, so this week, this is our morning meeting for K4, 9/21 through the 25th. All right, so some things that we're going to be talking about this week are our left hand and our right hand. All right, we're going to be talking about the numbers 1 through 5. We're going to review them. Then we're going to start looking at some consonants. So we've been learning vowels, which are A, E, I, O, and U. A, E, I, And now we're going to start talking about consonants, okay? All right, and our first letter is going to be the letter T that says T, T. All right. Then we're going to start talking about Moses, and then we're going to have our scripture, Philippians 4:19. My God shall supply all your needs. All right, sweet friends, I hope that you enjoy this week. Bye.